Hi everyone, this is Sajal Nigam and welcome back to my channel. In this video, maybe we'll be talking about one of the most important topics right now prevailing. It's Mr. Donald Trump's tariff. Now these tariffs might sound very technical or seem like a very complex terms in economics world, but it's not. It's basically a tax on the imported goods. These tariffs, when implemented by the world's biggest economy, sometimes creates a tremor in the developing nations like India and like other nations. How, why, and what is deadweight loss, what are the possible outcomes, everything related to Trump's tariff in a very simplified form I'll be explaining today in this video. So please stay tuned and watch till the end. Let's start with very basics. Let's say that the US imports steel from India. If they impose a 20% tariff on steel imports specifically, our steel becomes 20% more expensive to the American buyers. So American buyers तो ये कहेंगे ना कि अब अगर जो हमें स्टील इंडिया से मिल रही थी वो 20% ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, so let's buy local. हम अमेरिकन लोगों से स्टील खरीदते हैं. And this is exactly the goal why tariffs are imported, to protect the domestic industries. Now you might say that okay, then this is fine, it must be benefiting America for that matter, but not in a specific way, not because of deadweight loss. What is this deadweight loss, how it is caused? Let's understand that. See, when tariffs are imposed, they not just affect the producers, they also affect consumers, and economists call this as deadweight loss. डेडवेट लॉस बेसिकली एक ऐसी कंडीशन होती है जहां किसी भी टैक्स, किसी टैरिफ के इम्पोज होने के बाद कंज्यूमर्स अपनी बाइंग को कम कर देते हैं. The percentage in which they were buying earlier was now reduced to a certain level. When this happens in an economy, it creates a situation of deadweight loss. And this deadweight loss is not at all beneficial for anyone, either for buyers or for the producers. For buyers वो ज़्यादा prices पे करेंगे because definitely अब economy में उनके भी domestic producers को पता है कि now they do not have any other option left. So पहली बात, they don't have options, and secondly they had to pay higher prices in comparison to earlier, right? And secondly, for the producers also, it's very much in a negative side because now they have a very less expansion of selling abroad. So these kind of effects actually create deadweight loss, and it also causes a situation of negative impacts where neither the producers nor the consumers are benefiting from it. So tariffs, we can say that in the short run might be they are protecting the domestic economies, but in the long run they are creating a very less efficient economy at the global level. When Trump came to power, actually he started off with one thing which we now call as a trade war. He actually started it with China, but soon affecting on to many other allies like India as well. He started with imposing tariffs on products like steel, जिसमें उन्होंने 25% का tariff लगाया था, and then on aluminum, which was of 10%, and after that on hundreds of products. So basically the tariffs which were almost 3% before these tariff things which Trump imposed later rose to 6 to 7% in those peak times. So this is what exactly Trump did. His motive was to protect his domestic industries, but eventually it turned up in a very negative side and affecting the entire globe. Now let's talk about the impact it had on both the countries, on US as well as on India. यूएस के लिए बशर्ते कहीं ना कहीं प्रोड्यूसर्स का एक बेनिफिट हुआ होगा क्योंकि उन्हीं के लिए हमने किया ही था प्रोटेक्टिंग द डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज, बट कंज्यूमर्स ऑन द अदर हैंड मस्ट हैव पेड अ लॉट मच हायर प्राइसेस. And for India, it was all in negative ways because exporters lost their competitiveness, and there was a lot much effect on the labor intensive markets such as textiles and all, because wahan pe their major source was of exporting, and that shut down because of these tariffs, right? So these many things happened because of these Trump's tariff, which always came in a very negative sense. Also, economists often estimate that almost 0.3 to 0.4% of the world's global GDP came down because of these global Trump's tariff, and that is a significant number when we actually calculate it in a quantitative terms. So was the impact positive or negative? See, when you impose tariffs, it might help you in the short run, protecting your domestic industries, but in the long run it always distort the global position, it always distort other global industries and their productions, their labor supply chains, people working there, jobs, and so many other things. सो टैरिफ्स इन द सेंस इफ यू ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड टू डेड वेट लॉस, जब भी टैरिफ इम्पोज होता है या फिर कोई टैक्स लगता है तो हमेशा इकोनॉमी में प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड कंज्यूमर्स बोथ आर ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज लूजिंग. So tariffs are never good for an economy. Also people say that tariff impose होने से at least government revenue तो बढ़ता है. But the fact is that जो losses producers and consumers incur करते हैं they are much higher than the profits of the the government revenue. So कहीं ना कहीं negligible भी amount नहीं हो पाता है, इतना ज़्यादा there's so much imbalance. Taxes and tariffs applied till a certain level are good for their country as well as for the global position, but beyond a certain level they aren't benefiting to either of them. With this, I'd like to end this video today. I hope that I cleared the basics of tariffs, how it creates a deadweight loss, what basic effect it has on India and also other developing nations. If you want any other topic to be discussed, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video on them. Till then, please take care and bye.